Hi, I'm Philip. I'm part of the Reynaers family, and I'm very happy and proud to be here in Enniscorthy today.
Reynaers Aluminium has been here for many years, but we made a major refurbishment. We increased the premises. We made them much more comfortable for our people, much more pleasant to work in, and we hope we'll be very successful here, and we will do everything possible to support our activities here in Ireland.
This new development shows a tremendous confidence by the company in their future operations here in Enniscorthy.
My name is Nigel. We're here to open the Reynaers factory, having a great evening. The weather's not playing ball with us, but having a good time.
I'm very proud of the people who work here. I think they're doing a very, very good job, and I wish them lots of good luck for the future.
Hi, good evening. I'm Karen van Vlierberge. I'm the Belgian Ambassador to Ireland, and I'm very happy and proud to be here in Reynaers Aluminium, which is in County Wexford, and I'm very impressed by the beautiful county, but also by the activity and by the dynamism of the city and this premises, this Belgian investment in particular.
We are so proud and honored that we could have this investment here in Enniscorthy, that we can continue our activity over here. The Reynaers Island company over here is a crucial part of Reynaers Group, and I foresee a sustainable future for this company here.
I wish them all the best of luck. I've been dealing with them now for actually the last 3 years. We've used the Reynaers extruded window frame here, the very latest that they've produced, and we're very, very happy with it. And it's great to see a company like this expanding as they are at the moment in Enniscorthy.
So I know Enniscorthy very well. I lived here a few years in the 80s. The city has changed tremendously, has developed a lot from a very rural area to quite an industrial center, but still the people are the same, very welcoming, very helpful, and the countryside remains amazing. So I wish Enniscorthy a lot of success, and we hope to contribute to that success.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody for coming this evening, especially the Reynaers family for making the effort to be here. We've got a wonderful facility, and it's great to be able to share that with you, our customers and friends. I'd like to also pay a big thank you to the staff who've helped me to get today organised. Thank you.